Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you all to the new video series Know It in 10 Minutes. तो आज हम बात करेंगे सेल्फ बिलीव के बारे में। मुझे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि हमारा नीट पीजी में वी आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक द सीट, वी आर नॉट एबल टू पास दिस एग्जाम, शुड वी गिव अप? इट्स बीन 1 attempt, it's been 2 attempts, it's been 3 attempts, we are taking top year after year. क्या हम कभी सक्सेसफुल होंगे? क्या हम भी ड्रीम अचीव कर पाएंगे? I get a lot of questions about whether I doubted my selection. Trust me guys, it's not an easy journey, but you have to believe in yourself. Just imagine one thing, आपने नीट पीजी के लिए तैयारी शुरू की. How did you qualified for नीट पीजी? You braved the harsh conditions of, let's say if you have studied in Russia, so you have braved the hard winters, you stayed away from home, then you came back to India, you passed one of the toughest test, that is FMG. उसके बाद you have qualified for the NEET PG. So you have cleared your first step. You have proved your potential कि आप में वो बात है जो एक NEET PG क्रैक करने वाले एस्पिरेंट में होनी चाहिए. You have that factor. Now it's lot of people will say it's easy for me to say कि okay अब तो सिलेक्शन हो गया है तो उसके बाद बोलना आसान होता है. But trust me guys, whenever I used to go to sleep during my preparation time, I doubted my future at every moment. I doubted that क्या मैं कभी PG सीट के लिए select हो पाऊँगा. But one thing I always did, that I never stopped believing in myself. I never stopped dreaming. जब भी आप start करोगे ये journey, there will be lot of people telling you maybe it's not for you. You will get very disheartening ranks, like you will get ranks in 1,000, in lakhs. After seeing that rank, you will feel like नहीं ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. But there are people who have done it. There are a lot of foreign medical graduates which you are unaware of who did history by scoring a very good rank in NEET PG. So how to do it? Because इतने टाइम तक मोटिवेट रहना is not an easy task. So there are few ways how you can stay motivated. One is there are people who will motivate. So go and look for the interviews of those people. Go and meet those people. Go and talk to those people who have already done it. You know, it's like you need a constant booster dose. आपने एक बार बात कर ली तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अब आपका हो गया, now you are motivated. You'll have to visit those people again and again. The reason why I am releasing these videos is because there are some limitations कि जो person आप बात कर रहे हो maybe he won't be available for you for the like all times. तो आप उनके वीडियोस देख सकते हैं जिससे you get that booster dose of motivation again and again. Then the second thing is there are places which motivate you. Like when I was preparing my PG preparation, so I was living in Delhi. So I will visit AIIMS campus. I'll just go and walk with my friends. You know, when you go and walk through that campus, you don't know how you guys have no idea how it feels. If you have never been there, you literally will have goosebumps when you walk through the AIIMS campus. When you imagine that your name, attached to such institute, one of the prestigious institute in the whole world, not only in India. So that will also motivate you. Then the third thing, the environment. I know the people who have studied abroad, most of them come from very humble families. आप लोग बहुत ही आपके पेरेंट्स ने, अपने माँ बाप ने बहुत ही कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके आपको पढ़ाया है, आपको उस तरफ भेजा है. जब मैं दिल्ली में रहता था, आई यूज्ड टू सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग हार्ड, these laborers who pulling their trolleys and doing all the labor work and everything, and that used to tell me how hard life it is, and I want to do all that will help to keep my family happy, that my family, my parents, इनके ऊपर ऐसी such situation should never come in front of them. So that was my motivation. So whenever I will feel like नहीं आज मैं नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, तो इन तीनों में से कोई ना कोई चीज़ मुझे ज़रूर मोटिवेट करती थी, and I used to start studying again. So even if it's your first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, it doesn't matter as long as you are going to achieve your dream. So I will like to share one quote of Warren Buffett. If you have heard the name, he is a very famous investor. So he once said that an idiot with plan can beat genius without a plan. So whenever you are starting your preparation, make a plan. I have released one very detailed video where I have mentioned how to plan your studies, how to plan your time. So आपको हमेशा किसी भी चीज़ को स्टार्ट करते टाइम प्लान बनाना है. एंड अगेन आई विल रिपीट व्हाट आई सेड अर्लियर. प्लान बनाने के बाद उसको फॉलो करना ईजी नहीं है. इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट. लेकिन अगर आपने वो क्रॉस कर दी फिर सब कुछ ईजी हो जाएगा. एक बार आपने स्टडी करना स्टार्ट किया, एक बार आपने टाइम टेबल बनाया, फिर उसको स्टिक रहना, उसको फॉलो करना, एंड स्लोली यू विल गेट यूज्ड टू इट. तो इसीलिए आपको इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखना है कि प्लान बनाओ और उसको फॉलो करो. डू नॉट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड, डू नॉट गेट डिमोरलाइज्ड, डू नॉट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विद अदर्स. हर किसी का, एवरीबडी इज गोइंग थ्रू अ डिफरेंट क्लॉक. लेट्स से समवन हैज़ नॉट cleared his FM NEET PG exam, but he is married. He has already set up his family. So getting married is also one of the important goal of your life. So he got married first. Next he will clear his PG. Maybe you got your PG seat now. So everybody is running on their own clock. So do not worry. Do not compare with others. It feels like when my friends got selected and I did not get selected that time, I felt bad. I felt like यार मेरा भी सिलेक्शन हो जाना चाहिए था, मैं भी तो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. बट इट हैपन्स, द कंपैरिजन इज ऑलवेज देयर. बट यू नो, अगर सी टिल योर टाइम इज देयर, क्लैप फॉर अदर्स. ठीक है, उनके लिए ताली बजाओ, क्योंकि जब तुम्हारा टाइम आएगा तो वो लोग तुम्हारे लिए ताली बजा सके. इट्स नॉट अबाउट, डोंट बी disheartened by because you are not getting your success in the time that you have decided. I doubted myself, but there was a day, that was my day, that AIMS result came out and I got selected. So वही I am sure आपके साथ भी होगा. Your day will come, and till that day come, do not give up and do not stop studying and doing hard work. Again I'll say, it's easy to say, but trust me guys, when you will get the result, think about the price. NEET PG seat, AIMS institute. If you want to study there, if it was easy, everybody would have done it. But it's hard, it's difficult. That's why it's so. इसीलिए तो इसकी कीमत इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. और जब आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे तो आपकी स्टोरीज रहेंगी. Then you can come out and motivate others like we are doing. So there are people who have done it. So you have to trust yourself. Keep working hard. अगर आप खुद पे डाउट करते हो तो डाउट करना बिल्कुल बंद करना है. If you feel low, go and talk to your friends, go and talk to your family. Also celebrate your achievements. जब तक जो आपने अभी तक किया है. See, there was a day जब आपने भगवान से बस एक चीज़ मांगी थी, और वो चीज़ थी कि भगवान कुछ भी करके मेरा FMG एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करा दो. See, now you cleared and now your demand have increased. Now you want the big PG seat. So at least celebrate that thing कि चलो, there are people who are not able to, who are trying hard but are not able to clear their FMG exam. But you have cleared it, and that shows that you have the potential to bag a NEET PG seat. So guys, never stop believing in yourself. Never stop dreaming. So I wish you all the best. Hope you guys find this video motivating, and I pray for your success. And I believe you all will achieve your dream seat one day. Take care guys, take care of your health, and best wishes.